His Lotus is clean.
Yeah, it is.
These are all Lotus.
It's a baby for sale. That is pretty cool. What's it? To work on them?
Yeah.
See everything.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Wait,
Aston Martins. This is body style. Is it? 2013 Aston Martin. I like this body style. Transmission stuff, if it goes out, are like thousands of dollars. So I'm like, no thank you. That's a Ferrari. What the? God, that's crazy. I ain't never seen this before. Got a Rolls Royce behind us. This is a Lamborghini too. Maserati. No.
Basically, up with you there. But there's two companies.
yesterday if they want to go. Nobody want to go.
They probably just thought it was like just a little regular car. I was telling you, like all the people from Oldsmobile Car Club are like, you don't want to miss this one.
That's like the old F&P out there.
I'm a spectator.
Respond back. Put your number.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you very much for coming out. This is the show we started in.
If I didn't do that exhaust, I would have cheated on. Oh, it's too far out.
Of course, we all know that the funds raised from Concourse and Hills benefits Phoenix children. Up next, we'd like to thank our presenting sponsor, Valvoline Instant Oil Change. Be sure to visit their booth to learn more about all their great products and services that they offer. Valvoline Instant Oil Change has been an outstanding partner of Phoenix Children's.
Now that this is this.
The doctor efforts. This event here at Concourse and Hills. Once again, I want to thank everybody for coming out and bringing their wonderful cars. The show wouldn't exist without you, and we thank you for your continued effects. The show is that it is free to attend for spectators, so we encourage that you consider making a small donation to help us reach our continued goal. If you can make a donation at the Phoenix Children's tent next to the stage, or you can also scan QR codes at the large event maps you'll find around the park or at the water stations. Additionally, this year we have something new, cool, and exciting. Voting for the 2026 Concourse in the Hills People's Choice Award kicks off right now, and it closes at 1 p.m. today. There are QR codes on all the wayfinding maps and in brochures, as well as on every.
You're telling me?
Racetracks in the world, and he bought the famed Mirage race team. Ladies and gentlemen, Harley.
These phones are good. I don't even got to go to each road. Culture. You got the old school.
I've taken like 6 and never a single issue, man. He's just honest. Deals on it.
You're good.
No, I mean, my conferences only took a year and a half to get. So, SF90 for COVID took almost 2 years to get. 2 of them.
So what is half the nose?
I was when she gets signed over.
That was a GT. Jimmy Cuda.
Oh, it's the model.
The one that he was trying to sell.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good one.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
Then I just need to go get the paint.